Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove background on Clipchamp. Actually it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all you need to open your Clipchamp and then you need to create a new video, or you can scroll down and open your project. I will open, for example, this one project. After that you need to import media files. You can add 2 or more video files if you want. Then you need to press and hold on them and then drag it into this timeline. So after that, if you want to remove background, you need to click on any video you want in this timeline. And then if your video has a green screen background, the most easiest way how you can delete background is to click on this effect option at its right corner. And then in this list of options, you need to scroll down and click on the green screen option. So if you won't see this at the top of your screen, you can find this option here in this list of options. So after that you need to change this, click and press and hold on this little dot and move it to the left or to the right to have the better video. So as you can see, it doesn't look very good, and it's because this video doesn't have a green screen background. So if your video has green screen background, it will look very good. So but if your video doesn't have green screen background like my video, the only one way how you can delete background is to click on this button crop, and then you can press and hold on the corners and then move it like that. So, and after that you need to click on this check button, and after that you can resize this video or move it as you want to. So, and that's all, and that's how to remove background on Clipchamp. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.